A law firm stepping up to help drivers protect not only themselves, but riders as well.
Dayton 24/7 Now's Bennett Wise explains what they're offering and what Lyft said in the wake of today's deadly shooting.
A lot of these drivers are sitting ducks for criminals. We've seen a huge uptick in crime committed against these individuals.
Greening and LegalRideshare are starting the Driver Safety Fund, a $25,000 fund providing free dash cameras to workers on service apps like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and others.
We believe that the dash camera is the single most important safety tool that a driver can have. It serves as both a deterrent to potential bad actors, and it also allows police and lawyers to have access to real-time evidence.
Today's robbery and deadly shooting in Dayton are not isolated instances. In the last year, violent acts are popping up in Cincinnati, Columbus, and nationwide.
The nature of gig work is dangerous. A lot of times drivers are curbed, their doors are unlocked, they're anticipating that people are going to be approaching their vehicles, so their guards are down, and criminals are preying on these workers.
After today's incidents, a spokesperson for Lyft telling Dayton 24/7 Now, quote, "Safety is fundamental to Lyft, and the actions that led to the events of this morning are reprehensible. Our hearts are with the driver's loved ones during this incredibly difficult time, as well as with an additional driver who is impacted by this behavior. We've reached out to law enforcement to offer our assistance with their investigation, and will continue our efforts to combat this senseless violence and help keep drivers safe."
We encourage drivers to trust their instincts. So if something doesn't feel right about a ride, do not hesitate to cancel it. Many drivers are hesitant to cancel rides for fear of retribution from the company, for fear of losing the couple dollar fare.
LegalRideshare is putting up all the money for the Driver Safety Fund, 5 of which will go towards the dash cameras, with the remaining $20,000 going to rewards for information leading to convictions for crimes against gig workers. Reporting in Miamisburg, Bennett Wise, Dayton 24/7 Now News.